guys, welcome back to the channel to a very special Monday edition. As you guys know, I don't dash on Mondays, but we're not gonna dash on Christmas Day, so I was like, you know what, let's swap them, so here we are today, going from 12:30 till about 4 o'clock. Nothing crazy. According to the map, it's extremely busy, but is that true? I doubt it. You guys want to see the first order they offered me? $2.75, 3.5 miles, one item. Tropical Smoothie Cafe going to the hospital. Wow, that's like every bad order into one for me. I don't like going to the hospitals, and I don't like no tip orders. So yeah, I'm not sure what to expect. I didn't dash on Monday last year, so again, no clue what to expect. But we're gonna just play it by ear. If it's slow, we'll go home. But if it's not, then we'll keep it going. So we'll see you guys on the first delivery. Guys, forget the beanie here. I took the beanie off. We got our first order here. We just picked them up. The stack offer from Sweet Green showing $12 payout, 6 miles. I took it just to have, something in the books, get the blood flowing. But today looks a lot busier than yesterday. There's like a little unofficial area where all the Dashers and Uber Eats drivers, all the drivers just park, and it's packed. It's packed with I saw 7 drivers just chilling, hanging out, talking. And then, here I come to pick up my order. So either they probably declined it. It was a little bit heavy in the miles, but you know what? I'm just trying to get the blood flowing, cash flow. You guys know how we do it over here. So, yeah, we got the food picked up. The food was ready, so that was awesome. Now we're the first one's only 5 minutes away. So the first one's pretty close, maybe two miles at the most. The second one is the one that's a little bit further out. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the drop off. The order's dropped off, and it ended up being 13. So the second order had a $7 payout. So hey, not too bad. Currently $12.53, and we have $13 in the books, which is awesome. We're about 5-6 minutes away from being back in my area. I'm technically out of my zone, but that's okay. It's one of those days where I don't normally dash on Mondays, and then we throw in the holidays. I'm not really sure what to expect, So I'm just gonna take probably everything I can. I'm only dashing until about 4 o'clock, so not my longest dash. I don't know what's up with this reflection. I keep seeing the brightness, and it's kind of weird. So it's kind of bugging me, to be honest. Hopefully it doesn't bug you guys. But yeah, so we'll see you guys on our next order. Alrighty guys, currently 1:20, and we finally have our next order. We just picked it up from Chipotle, $6.25, going less than 2 miles. Man, for a second I was thinking, man, it's gonna be just like yesterday, because I was not getting anything good. I was getting offers, but they were extremely high mileage, and the dollars didn't make sense, So when this one came up, jumped on it right away. The food was ready, so we should be there in about 2 to 3 minutes. And then yeah, we're gonna go ahead and keep this going. I know I didn't talk about a goal. I don't really know what a good goal is to dash till 4. I'm gonna go with $50. We started at 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, maybe, I don't know, $75. How about that? How about we throw a goal of $75? Mainly because, for one, I don't normally dash on Monday, so I didn't know what to expect. And then, it is kind of like a holiday week, so we'll see you guys in a bit. You guys got there, dropped off, and then became 9:55. What a random amount, from 6:25 to 9:55. And then we got this order here from Five Guys. I believe it was showing 750. I want to say maybe 3 miles, maybe less. I took it because Five Guys seems to be popping right now, so I'm hoping they stack it. But even if they don't, I'm perfectly happy taking the 750 order, So we're currently sitting at 22.55, 1:30. So technically we're an hour in, and we've made $22. So on the surface, it looks really, it looks pretty good. But there was a lot of downtime, I think we got lucky taking that first stack offer. That was $13, and then we just got lucky at the end that the order was so close that it still fit in the same hour, But hey, we can keep that up, I'm cool with that. Anyways, let me get this picked up. We'll see you guys back on the road. Guys, just picked up the order here from Five Guys. Five Guys is popping, so I don't know if I'm gonna go back there. And I've only seen 3 people there. That seems really low, employee-wise. They have one guy in the fries, one guy doing the burgers, and one person in the cashier, which leaves no people handing out the food. So I have to catch somebody when they were walking by to give me the food. But yeah, every shopping center looks super packed. I guess people are doing last-minute shopping and whatnot, which makes parking a little bit of a hassle. What's funny? This last order that I just took, she put on her customer notes, she put that she made a typo, and she put the correct address on the notes. Wouldn't it be easier to correct the actual address as opposed to typing it up in the notes? It's the same building complex, you just put the wrong number. So I'm just gonna go to that correct number, but I just thought that was funny. I can't remember the last time I ordered food, but I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be that hard to edit your address, But anyways, we're about 10 minutes away, which it seems like a lot. And it's probably because there's a lot of construction going on in this area. Because it's only 1.5 miles away. Yep, sees the construction. It's red all the way down, which totally sucks. 1 mile, 10 minutes. Ugh, that's the worst. Should be about 5 minutes tops. Then we get this dropped off. We'll see you guys back on the ready. Guys, gonna do the dropped off. Now we're sitting at $30 with 5 cents, and it's $1.50. So I'm really hoping we get something else to just keep it going, because I feel like if we don't, it's gonna be a while till we get another order. So again, we're only dashing until about 4. So we got about 2 hours and 10 minutes left. Can we hit 75? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's go. Next order here from Willard's Barbecue, showing $6.25, less than 2 miles, 6 items. So you know there could be a small chance of a nice hidden tip on there. I didn't look at the items, honestly. I just saw the distance and the dollar amount. Jumped on there right away. So yeah, it's currently 2 o'clock. So I think we're baby stepping in. I mean, we are on the clock. You know, we have 2 hours left. So how much can we really do in 2 hours? You know what I mean? So hopefully things pick up. Maybe we'll get a couple of stack offers here and there to, you know, keep the ball rolling. But as of now, I think we're on a solid pace to maybe do $50, which is a little below the goal. But hey man, I'll take 50 bucks all day. Let's go. Guys, got the latest order dropped off here from Willard's Barbecue. Ended up being like $10.87. Now we're sitting at $40.92, so basically $41. So we should be able to do 50 hopefully by 3. And then hopefully by 4, maybe 60, 65. I mean, if we get really lucky, I think we should be able to do 75 or at least 70. But honestly, I think right now, with the way that things are going, I think we'll finish around 60 or 65. I mean, I'm hoping we do more, you know, but it's just like, you know, the orders, the good ones come in every like 10, 15 minutes. So it's a lot of downtime, you know. So we'll see you guys on the next order. Picked up the latest order here from Potbelly. I try to give you guys some pickup action since today's a little bit shorter video. And typically I don't think I do those because, for one, my videos would be crazy long, since I like to show you guys every single order that I do. I don't even know how that would work. I think I would have to really pick and choose what to show you. So I think that's why I'd rather just not do those and just show you every single order and talk about them. So I mean, but let me know what you think. You know, if you guys would like to see more pickup stuff, I'm cool with doing that too, you know. And then maybe I'll only put in the funny ones or the interesting ones, or, you know, or when the video's shorter like today, you know, I was like, you know what, let me show them some pickups. And of course, when I get there, the Potbelly, the shelf's empty, and the lady said they were still working on it. It took a few minutes, but you know, we're back on the road now, so we should be there in about 5 minutes, so we can keep this thing going. Let's go. Alright, guys, we're picking up the next order here from Potbelly. So I'll give you some pickups, since we're not really doing a whole lot today. Hi, we're just picking up for Moonjeet. Okay, cool. Thank you. My latest order dropped off here from Potbelly, and I just realized that my dash ended. So I couldn't schedule, like, you know, 12 to 4 like I wanted to. So ended up being 12:30 to 2:30, and then 3 to 4:30. But we're not gonna go to 4 to 30, just until 4. So the first dash ended, and we did $47.03. I was able to get back on right away because it's busy, you know. So we're gonna go from 3 to 4. And now I don't know how much we can do in that 1 hour, to be honest. So I think if we're lucky, we'll finish in the mid 60s. Hopefully at least 60. But yeah, right now we're sitting at around $47, I think. So yeah, hopefully, you know, it picks up, because right now, you know how you have the little like hotspot, the map shrinked, like it's a lot smaller than it usually is. So I mean, I think even if we do whatever, you know, I think it'll be fine. I don't normally dash on Mondays, like I said, so wasn't sure what to expect, and it's a holiday week. So yeah, so we'll see you guys on the next order. We just accepted the next order here, making our way to Tropical Smoothie Cafe. It's a stack offer showing 4 items, 2.8 miles for $11.50. I think that's a great order. I think, yeah, I mean, I would take that all normally, honestly, mainly because Tropical Smoothie Cafe is super fast and the miles are fairly low, and it's not a lot of items too, because Tropical Smoothie, man, sometimes people get crazy and order like 6, 7 smoothies. I'm not just allowed to, you know, allowed to handle, but 4 items, we can do that. Guys, so we got both orders dropped off. Now we're currently sitting at $59 with 17 cents, so basically $60, right? Currently 3:21 in the afternoon. I think if we're lucky, we'll do 1 order for sure. If we're really lucky, maybe 2 orders, right? But I think just 1, to be perfectly honest with you. It's just not very busy, you know? So I think we'll finish in the mid 60s. If it's a big order, maybe 70, but I don't see us hitting 75. It's just, you know, I just don't see it happening. But hey, hopefully I'm wrong, you know. But we'll see you guys on the next order. Hey guys, quick little update. It's 4 p.m. and we're gonna have to call it a day. We didn't get any more orders since last checking in at like 3:21, so a whole 40 minutes without getting any offers worth taking. The app is working fine. I got paused a couple of times because I was declining a bunch of garbage. So we're gonna end our dash here at $59.17. All totals up all my numbers here for you guys, and you know, it wasn't the most exciting dash I've had, but hey, it's basically at $60 in the books, because you know we're not dashing on Christmas Day, because that's just not right. No one should work on Christmas Day, in my opinion. You know, unless of course you absolutely have to, then you know that depends on your situation. But I will not be working on Christmas Day, spending with the fam. We'll see you guys next time. Y'all be safe.